Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Today we're taking you behind the scenes into our hangar operations, where our Embraers receive meticulous care. First, technicians connect the external power cable through the external power receptacle, supplying 115-volt, 400 Hz electricity from the ground to power the systems during maintenance. Once the systems are powered, technicians use the aircraft stairs to access the cockpit and perform system checks. Next, our team performs thorough engine inspections, checking for leaks, examining fan blades for damage, and verifying electrical and fluid connections, while also looking for any visible signs of wear. Internal visual inspections of accessible components ensure everything is clean, properly secured, and in optimal condition. Among the critical tasks is battery maintenance. The two main batteries, each weighing about 24.6 kilograms, are checked or replaced when needed. These essential components serve as a crucial backup source during flight. We then inspect the wing's flaps and perform visual checks of panels, actuators, and tracks, ensuring no wear or damage. A full extension and retraction test, confirmed by cockpit indicators, guarantees flawless operation. Finally, the landing gear. After the aircraft is chocked and secured on the ground, we inspect wheels, brakes, shock absorbers, and actuators, and check nitrogen pressure and hydraulic lines. This robust system, designed to withstand immense loads, is retracted after takeoff to reduce aerodynamic drag. We look forward to welcoming you aboard soon.